Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to follow a trade signal on DSJ Exchange. If you're following trade signals on DSJ Exchange without understanding the process, you're basically gambling. Trade signals require timing, accuracy, and knowing exactly where to click. Otherwise, you miss the opportunity or make mistakes. Launch the DSJ Exchange app and make sure you're logged in. On the main screen, find and click Futures. Why this matters? Trade signals are executed in the Futures section. Inside Futures, click Invited Me. This section is used to input signal links and connects you to a specific trade setup. Take the code sent to you from the group chat and write or paste it into the field. Then click Confirm. The link contains the trade instructions, so it saves time and reduces manual errors. An alternative method is to use a manual follow-up order. Instead of using a link, you can click Initiate a follow-up order. Here, fill in the required fields such as title, which is the name of the trade, trading pair, example, BTC, USDT, purchase duration, how long the trade runs, order time, when the trade starts, and minimum, maximum order, which are trade size limits. Then click on Done. Important timing rule. There are two regular trades every day. One at 1:30 p.m. EST and one at 7:30 p.m. EST. You have 20 minutes to complete the trade after the signal is released. If a transactional error occurs, make sure to refresh or reload the page. To summarize, following a trade signal on DSJ Exchange involves going to Futures, accessing the Invited section, pasting the signal link or manually creating a trade, and executing it within the given time window. Timing and accuracy are critical for successful execution. And that's how to follow a trade signal on DSJ Exchange. This process is simple on the surface, but the risk behind it is real. Don't just follow signals, understand what you're doing, manage your risk, and stay disciplined. If something feels rushed or unclear, that's already a warning sign. Take control of your decisions, don't rely blindly on others. So, that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.